Children start to think logically. This simple experiment gives us a clue. Does Ewan have the power of logic yet? He's presented with 2 tall glasses filled with equal amounts of juice. He is asked to check that the amounts are the same in each glass. Then the juice is poured from one tall, thin glass into a short, fat glass.
And more.
And Ewan is asked a question.
What?
Does one glass have more and the other glass less? Or do they both have the same amount?
One have less.
Which one has less? And which has more? The experiment is repeated several times. Each time the children are asked to check that the amounts in the 2 tall, thin glasses are the same before one is poured into the short, fat glass.
I'm gonna drink that. Are we gonna drink it? That one has less and this one has... what's it called? More.
Kids 5 and under are unanimous.
That one has more than that one. That one has more and that one has less. That one's got more. That one has more and that one hasn't. That's got more and that's got less.
These children are not ready to accept an abstract concept like quantity yet. They still think in the here and now, and they can only think about one dimension of a situation at a time. In this case, height. So since the levels in the short, fat glass are lower, it must contain less juice. But around the age of 6 or 7, the answers change.
The same, probably. Or because it's fatter, it looks smaller. They're exactly the same. They're the same.
And how does Rory know they're the same?
Because when you pour the water in from that glass, you're just pouring in exactly the same amount, and those 2 glasses were both exactly the same.
The older children can think about quantity in the abstract. They can remember the tall, thin glass they saw a few moments ago. They can think about the height and the width of both glasses and draw the logical conclusion.
They're exactly the same. And finished.